Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add apartment to your wish list and also how to find the wish list as well. So if you're scrolling through, whether you set up a destination and you find an apartment that you want or you intend to, let's say, book in the future, you can easily go ahead and add that to the wish list. So I'm going to just scroll through randomly and just find something, nothing special, right? But I'm going to just choose for the purpose of this tutorial. So let's say we want to choose this place here. So in order to add it to the wish list, we can just simply click the heart on the upper right and you will see right here that it pops up. Now, if you don't have any wish list, you want to create one, right? So in my case, I don't have any, so I'm going to quickly create a wish list right here. So I'm going to just say for the summer, let's call this one for the summer, right? And just simply click on create. Now, I now add that apartment to the wish list. And how do you find that wish list? Just simply go ahead and click the upper right hand side, the three lines, and you have the wish list. You can click on that. And here is it. So right in this section as well, guys, you can easily go ahead and find your wish list. You can even delete wish list from here if you want and so forth, right? So at any point in time, you're on your home page or wherever, and you want to add apartment to a wish list. I'm going to choose another one here. This one, you will see that it quickly adds to the wish list. Now, that's how easy it is, guys. Now, at any point in time, you want to basically create a new wish list, you can go ahead and try to add it, and you will see in the lower left hand side where it says change. This is going to pop up and give you the option to create a new wish list, and you can create one from here by creating another folder. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.